Ways of adjusting concealed hinges. Top and bottom door gap adjustment can be done by loosening all the screw on the cabinet, to allow the door to move up to reduce the big gap at the top, or move down to reduce the big gap at the bottom. Then, tighten back all the screws after the adjustments. Door to cabinet does not have gap, causing friction between door and body. Loosen the screw at the back of the hinge, and bring door outward. Then tighten back the screw. Door to cabinet gaps are too big. Loosen the screw, and push the door inward, then tighten back the screw. Uneven door gaps can be aligned by turning the front screw clockwise for inward adjustment of door, or anti-clockwise for outward adjustment. Lastly, ensure all the gaps are evenly spaced.